Hey guys, I got a 2012 Cadillac Escalade Hybrid. This got the 6.0 engine in it. This is the same as like the Silverado, Suburbans, those vehicles. Same technically as like a 6.2, which is just the regular Escalade. Anyways, I was getting issues with oil pressure. It would go down to 20, 10, and then throw the oil pressure code. And we just did the engine, replaced a head on this, and I didn't have that issue before. So I did notice that the oil hadn't been changed in a while. It was a little bit low on oil when we removed the head. So what we did was we did an oil change and we swapped out the filter. These normally come with smaller filters. We swapped it out with a bigger one, and I will link that in the comments and description as well, so you can purchase it easily from Amazon. But after doing that, that did fix it, and oil pressure is where it should be. I've been driving it for a while, no issues at all. So that's something to look at if you do have the oil pressure light and you don't have a ton of miles or any other issues in the vehicle. I would do an oil change and swap out the oil filter because it could just be clogged. So hopefully this helps, and hopefully that was the issue for you. And yeah, it's a pretty inexpensive fix. Thanks for watching.